How to allow or deny app permissions on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to allow or deny app permissions on your Android device, whether it's to access to your camera, microphone location, or even your photos and videos. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the settings app on your phone. And here, once you are inside the settings app, simply scroll down and tap on apps. Now next, tap on manage apps, and here you can simply scroll through the apps and tap on any app that you want to manage. Let's say I choose the Google Chrome. And here, once you are inside the app settings, you can simply tap on the app permission, and here you can choose what this app has access to. For example, if I want Chrome to have access to my photos and videos, I will just tap on files and media and choose allow, and now under allowed list you'll see a files and media. Now let's try another example. Let's say Discord. So here just tap on Discord and go to the app permission, and let's say I don't want it to use my camera. So here I will just tap on the camera and choose don't allow. Easy as that. But keep in mind that you will need to go through each app one by one if you want to review or change the permissions. It's a bit of a manual process, but it gives you full control over your privacy. And there you have it. That's how you can allow or deny app permissions on Android. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.